behind. The city had its reasons, the screens had their light, but something in the distance was calling us outside. We took the narrow pathway past the edge of town. No message left unanswered could keep the quiet out. There is a place where the mind can rest, where the cold air clears what the week has kept. Leave the noise behind, let the river take the weight. You do not have to run, you do not have to change. Leave the noise behind, there is nothing more to prove. The world can keep its thunder, we will walk into the blue. The trees do not ask questions, the morning does not speak. The road becomes an answer underneath our feet. A hoodie for the cold air, a cup between our hands, a moment made of nothing that finally understands. There is a place where the heart comes clean, where a simple walk feels like everything. Leave the noise behind, let the river take the weight. You do not have to run, you do not have to change. Leave the noise behind, there is nothing more to prove. The world can keep its thunder, we will walk into the blue. Not every day needs a mountain, not every dream needs a flame. Sometimes peace is a footpath and someone calling your name. We are not running away, we are returning slow to the river, to the morning, to the things we used to know. Leave the noise behind, let the river take the weight. You do not have to run, you do not have to change. Leave the noise behind, let the quiet pull you through. The world can keep its thunder, we will walk into the blue. Leave the noise behind.